How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. In this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. This error may happen for various reasons, and I will show you different possible ways to solve this issue. First, open either the App Store or Play Store depending on the device you are using, because the tutorial is the same on both Android and iOS devices. After that, search for Snapchat and check if the Snapchat application needs to be updated and updated. This will ensure you get all the latest plus newest features on the app. Also, this ensures if there are errors, they get fixed by removing the corrupt files or bugs that are causing the error. After that, try checking if the app is working. If after that, the error is still there, then I'm going to show you next what may be causing the error. There are a few reasons you might be having trouble logging in or creating a new Snapchat account. When this happens, you should see an error message that explains what caused the problem and how you can try to solve it. As you can see, according to Snapchat, they are telling us that you may have tried logging in too many times in a short period or tried signing up for too many Snapchat accounts in a short period. Temporarily disabling your access to Snapchat is a safety measure we take to protect the Snapchat community after detecting suspicious activity or a violation of our community guidelines or terms of service. So, here are some things you can do. Make sure that you have the correct login details. Wait 48 hours, then try logging in again. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network if your connection is not stable. If does not work, then maybe Snapchat may have banned your device. If you're seeing an SS18 or SS06 error code when trying to log in or create a new account, this means Snapchat has banned the device you're using due to abuse or repeated violations of our community guidelines. This is a safety measure we take to protect the Snapchat community when we detect suspicious activity. If you're seeing an SS07 error code when trying to log in, this means your device has been banned from logging into Snapchat because too many accounts have been associated with the device. Finally, Snapchat is telling you that if your device has been banned, Snapchat support cannot unban it for you. So the best option for you is to then download your data from Snapchat. Snapchatters who have had their device banned will not be able to create new accounts on that device. This is a safety measure we take to protect the Snapchat community. The only you have is to get a new phone and create a new one using a new phone number or email address. I hope this video has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to fix Snapchat support code SS06.